Hi everyone! Welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Mahilig ka bang mag-travel katulad ko? Or para doon sa mga employees mahilig na mag-leave para lang magpahinga, no? This video is for you. Dahil sa video na ito guys, pag-uusapan natin ang mga long weekends, long holidays na mangyayari by next year, 2025. And malapit na yun guys. Especially sa ating mga employees dyan, di ba? Kailangan talaga nating mag-file ng leave ahead of time. Kaya dapat ngayon pa lang alam na natin kung ano ba yung mga long weekends na mangyayari for the next year. Kasi di ba malay nyo guys, may makita na kayong piece of fare dyan para for flight next year, di ba? At least ngayon, makakapag-decide na agad kayo kung kayo ba ay magli-leave or kayo ba ay mag-purchase na ng inyong tickets for your travel. So ito guys ha, ang isi-share ko lang sa inyo ay mga long holidays, long weekends na mangyayari. So kapag meron kayong makita dito na holiday naman siya, pero wala siya sa listahan, just ibig sabihin guys, hindi po kasi siya pasok sa long weekend, kaya hindi ko na isasama sa video na ito. Okay? So umpisahan na natin. I'm sure ngayong year-end, no? Ngayong last week of December, may mga naka-leave na dyan. Dahil magkakaroon, ito yung pinakaunang long weekends na mangyayari. Dahil from December 28, Saturday na yun guys, hanggang January 1. January 1 is a holiday. So meron ng long weekends na mangyayari. Okay? So sa month of April naman guys, ang Holy Thursday is April 17. No? Tapos April 18, Good Friday. Then Black Saturday ng 19. And 20 naman is Sunday. So meron 4 days na long weekends by month of April 2025. Okay, so decide na agad guys. Meron pa namang mga company na hindi pwedeng sabay-sabay mag-leave, no? Paunahan, so kawawa talaga yung employee na nauunahan lagi sa pag-file ng leave. Okay, so sa month of May, meron ding 4 days na long weekends. May 1 is Thursday, May 2 is Friday. May 2 is not a holiday guys. But, you have the option here para ma-file mo ng leave yan or gamitan mo siya ng leave. Gusto mong magsakit-sakitan ka? Gusto mong magsakit-sakitan ng May 2? Well, as an HR, alam kong maraming employees na naggaganyan, no? Sakit-sakitan. Nagawa ko na rin naman yan. Lalong-lalo na kapag sobrang burden na ako sa trabaho ko. Alam mo yung napaka-stressful na, no? Nagsakit-sakitan na lang. May 2, nagsakit-sakitan para makapagpahinga, di ba guys? Ayan, so May 3 Saturday, May 4 Sunday. So alam nyo na ha, sa May 2, pwede kayong mag-file ng leave para magkaroon, ma-avail nyo or ma-enjoy nyo ang long weekends. Sa June 2025 naman guys, 4 days din siya. So, June 12, Thursday, Independence Day. So, June 13, Friday, option mo rin mag-file ng leave. Magsakit-sakitan ka ulit. Bakit sakit-sakitan? Pwede naman vacation leave, no? So, June 13, ayan guys. So, mag-leave ka niyan. Tapos, 14 is Saturday, 15 is Sunday. Speaking of Saturdays, kasi merong ibang mga employees, merong Saturday, no? So, pwede ka mag-file mo namang gawin mong Friday and Saturday yung leave mo. But you have to file it ahead of time, guys, ha? Para hindi ka naman ma-issue sa company. Okay? And then, sa month of August, guys, meron tayong 5 days na pwede mong i-enjoy ang long weekends sa August 2025. Dahil ang August 21 is Ninoy Aquino Day, Thursday. Then August 22 is Friday. You have the option to file, no? Leave na naman ito. So, mag-leave ka. And then, August 23, Saturday, 24, Sunday. And then, August 25, guys, Monday is a National Heroes Day. Ang sarap nito, guys, gawing bakasyon, no? Lalo na dun sa mga matatagal lang hindi nakauwi sa province nila. Enjoy nyo to, guys. Tingnan nyo ng mabuti. Pili na lang kayo sa months na yan kung anong month ang gusto nyong mag-file ng leave. No? And then sa November naman guys, merong dalawa na tag 3 days, tig 3 days long weekends ang mangyayari, guys. Dahil ang October 31 is Friday, so November 1 and November 2, Saturday, Sunday. So meron ka ng 3 days, no? And then the other one, guys, is the November 29, November 30, and December 1. So tatlong sunod-sunod din yon. Ang November 29 kasi is Saturday, November 30 is Sunday, December 1, pwede ka mag-file and leave. No? You have the option to file the leave, December 1. Pero malay natin, guys, yung November 30, sana i-move ng December 1, no? Pero hindi natin alam. Basta as of now, November 30 is Sunday. Yan yung holiday, Bonifacio Day. Okay, so sa December 2025, meron tayong tatlong unang araw. December 6, Saturday, December 7, Sunday, December 8, Monday. And the December 8 is Feast of the Immaculate Conception of Mary. So, it's a holiday. So, 3 days yon. And the other one, meron tayong 5 days. No? December 24, holiday yan. 24, 25. Ang December 24 is Wednesday. December 25 is Thursday. December 26, Friday. Pwede kayo mag-file ng leave. Tapos, December 27, Saturday. December 28, Sunday. December 29, Monday, pwede rin kayo mag-file ng leave. No? Sa mga nagpa-plan, guys, ng mahabang bakasyon sa December, so ito na. Tingnan nyo yung mga days na pwede nyo i-file ng leave. Okay? Basta December 26, guys, pwede mo i-file leave yan. December 29, pwede mo i-file ng leave. And then, another one, December 30, Rizal Day. This is Tuesday. December 31, Labor Day. No, holiday na yan. And January 1, 2026, holiday. January 2, 2026, pwede kayo mag-file ng leave kasi Friday yan, guys. And then January 3, Saturday, January 4, Sunday. Ayan. So yan po ang mga long weekends na mangyayari by the year 2025. As an employee, guys, alam ko yung burden nyo, alam ko yung stress nyo kapag hindi kayo pinapayagan mag-leave. No? Kaya very, very ahead of time. Kung gusto nyo ngayon pa lang, guys, mag-file na kayo ng leave nyo for 2025. Yun lang, guys. If you have comments or if you have request content na pwede natin gawan, you can comment below. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. God bless you all.